shower head has given my hair and skin life, so much life. I could literally just wash my hair in water only, and my hair is still soft and touchable. It's not super dry or brittle, anything like that. It just feels amazing. I love it in the blue, like perfect temperature. You guys, please go and get the shower head or get some type of water filter shower head so you're washing your hair in superb water. I would, if I had to guess, I would say 50% of our dryness comes from the wrong shower head or the wrong type of water on our skin and on our hair. This was like the best decision of my life, and I can't believe I didn't make the decision sooner. Guys, this shower head right here has been the GOAT. Like, me washing my hair in water with this, I can now just rinse my hair in water, I kid you not, and my hair will not dry out. Like, if I want to wash my hair but not wet it with a harsh chemical or sulfate, or even just wash it with anything just to rinse my hair. If I just want to do a rinsing one day, because I feel like my hair has got a little bit of buildup but not too much to have a full-fledged wash, this is the GOAT. This has changed my hair completely. The filtration is wonderful. I just love it. I like to keep it in blue. Cold is like, well, green is like cold water. Blue is like very comfortably warm, and red, I can't stand red, but my husband loves the red, but I love to keep it in the blue. It's perfect for my hair, my skin. Y'all, healthy hair and skin, I believe, starts with healthy water. So this was $27 from Amazon. I'll link it in the description if you like to get it. It was like $27, $30. Wonderful shower head. I love that it has lights. All they need now is a little music. Oh, I wish it had a speaker, but the lights work great, and it makes for a wonderful shower even with the lights off. I hope you guys go and purchase this. It was super easy to install. I thought I had a shower that I couldn't have my I thought I had a shower head that I couldn't detach, but it was super easy, and I'll show you that in just a second. This was great, easy to put together. I did this by myself in like 5 minutes. It didn't come with instructions. However, it was super easy to figure out. You guys, it is worth the investment. And like, I would probably purchase this once every year, or just get the filtration beads if I don't have any cracks or anything in my shower head. Y'all, this was amazing. This worked wonders for my hair. I started using this right when I did the maximum hydration method, the second go around, and I noticed a superb difference. I didn't even have to do the max hydration for 7 days in a row. Like, this is the GOAT, y'all. My hair is so moisturized. You guys, this is what the shower head looks like. Way too hot right now. Let me adjust it.